Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Let's continue uncovering the hidden costs of owning a car in 2027 and discover how smart planning can help you save money and avoid unexpected expenses. Technology has become one of the defining features of vehicles in 2027, but it can also introduce new ownership costs. Many cars now include connected services that provide real-time traffic updates, remote vehicle control, emergency assistance, navigation enhancements, entertainment features, and software improvements. Some manufacturers offer these services through subscription plans that require monthly or yearly payments after an initial free trial expires. Drivers who enjoy premium features should understand which services require ongoing subscriptions and which remain free for the life of the vehicle. Reading the ownership details before purchasing a vehicle helps prevent unexpected recurring costs. Parking expenses can also become a major part of car ownership, especially for people living or working in busy cities. Daily parking fees, monthly parking permits, apartment parking charges, and metered parking all add to the total cost of owning a vehicle. Some workplaces provide free parking, while others require employees to pay monthly fees. Large cities may also introduce congestion charges or special parking regulations that increase transportation expenses. Planning your commute and considering parking costs before purchasing a vehicle helps create a more accurate ownership budget. Keeping a car clean may seem optional, but regular cleaning helps preserve its appearance and long-term value. Washing removes dirt, road salt, tree sap, bird droppings, and other contaminants that can damage paint over time. Interior cleaning protects seats, carpets, dashboards, and electronic controls from unnecessary wear. Some owners choose professional detailing services several times each year, while others prefer to wash and clean their vehicles themselves. Although cleaning products and detailing services represent additional costs, maintaining the vehicle's condition often helps improve resale value in the future. Accessories and personalization are another hidden expense that many owners happily choose without realizing how much they spend over time. After purchasing a vehicle, many people buy floor mats, cargo organizers, phone holders, seat covers, dash cameras, upgraded lighting, roof racks, bicycle carriers, window tint, ceramic coatings, or custom wheels. Each purchase may seem relatively small, but together they can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars during the life of the vehicle. Before purchasing accessories, it is helpful to decide which upgrades truly improve safety, comfort, or convenience and which ones are simply nice to have. Loan interest is another cost that many buyers overlook when focusing only on monthly payments. Financing allows people to purchase a vehicle without paying the full amount up front, but interest increases the total amount paid over the life of the loan. Longer loan terms often reduce monthly payments but increase the total interest paid. Buyers should compare loan offers, interest rates, and repayment periods before making a decision. Even a small difference in interest rates can save a significant amount of money over several years. Road trips, commuting, and everyday driving also bring occasional expenses that are easy to forget. Toll roads, parking tickets, speeding fines, vehicle inspections, emergency towing, and roadside assistance plans may not happen every month, but they should still be considered part of the overall cost of ownership. Safe driving habits, following traffic laws, and planning routes carefully can help reduce many of these unnecessary expenses. Having roadside assistance or emergency savings provides extra peace of mind when unexpected situations occur. Electric vehicle owners should also think about long-term battery health. Modern electric vehicle batteries are designed to last many years, and manufacturers continue improving durability and reliability. However, like every rechargeable battery, performance slowly changes over time. Most owners will enjoy many years of dependable service before battery replacement becomes a concern, but understanding battery warranties and recommended charging practices helps maximize lifespan. Charging within recommended levels, avoiding excessive heat, and following manufacturer guidelines all contribute to better long-term battery performance. The best way to manage hidden car ownership costs is through careful planning. Creating a yearly transportation budget that includes insurance, fuel or charging, maintenance, tires, registration, repairs, parking, cleaning, and emergency savings provides a realistic picture of what owning a vehicle truly costs. Many financial experts recommend setting aside money every month specifically for future maintenance and unexpected repairs. This approach prevents financial surprises and allows owners to keep their vehicles in excellent condition without relying on emergency borrowing. Owning a car in 2027 offers incredible convenience, freedom, and access to advanced technology, but every vehicle comes with responsibilities beyond the purchase price. Insurance, maintenance, energy costs, depreciation, repairs, subscriptions, parking, and many other expenses all contribute to the true cost of ownership. By understanding these hidden costs before buying a vehicle, drivers can make informed decisions, choose a car that fits both their lifestyle and budget, and enjoy years of safe and reliable transportation. A well-planned budget, regular maintenance, and responsible driving habits not only reduce expenses but also help ensure that every journey remains enjoyable, dependable, and financially sustainable for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.